When we use ManageExpress Virtual Office to create our zero-touch provisioning requests for our Spoke routers, the configuration that is pushed to our device is determined by the user class. Let's take a look at a couple of user classes in our lab environment and highlight the differences between them so that you can get ideas on how to automate your DMVPN deployment with Spoke routers that all need to fit different use cases. To view our existing user classes, we will click on the Classes button in the navigation bar. This page will give us a tabled view of all of our user classes. Here, we can already see how we can assign classes to users in order for them to have a router suitable for their specific use. If we create a new account and assign it to the Cisco 2911 class, then this router's configuration will be built off of what we configured for our 2911 routers. When the end users connect to this router, they will receive an IP address from the Test28 LAN pool. Lastly, this router will establish tunnel connections to just our West DMVPN cloud. Alternatively, if we create an account and assign it to the CLS881 class, we can see that the router this user should be given is an 881 router. According to our subnet block configuration, the user who connects to this router will be given an IP address in the 172.17 range, unlike the 2911 router, which gives out addresses in the 182.20 range. And finally, we can see that this router will connect to both our East and West DMVPN data centers. But these aren't the only things that we can configure for our user classes. When we go to create a new user class by clicking on More Actions, Add Class, we can see all the fields that were previously listed in our table: the device type, LAN pool, and DMVPN connections. But if we scroll down, we can also see user-created variables. By creating these variables and then referencing them in our device templates, we have the flexibility to create different configuration even on the same device type. All of our user-created variables can also be viewed from the table page by clicking on the Edit Columns button.